Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes, MIOC. This is Shravani Sriramoju. Explicit non-parametric representation of curve. As the name suggests, explicit means it explicitly represents the curve. That is, the information it gives is accurate. There is no ambiguity. For example, if the curve is to be represented as y is equal to some constant plus c2x plus c3x square plus c4x cube plus and so on. So here for a particular value of x, if x is independent variable, y is dependent on x as a function of x. So for one value of x, there is exactly one value of y alone. So y will have a single unique solution for each independent variable value. So this is what an explicit representation is. One example is y is equal to mx plus c, a straight line. If I am to consider an xy here, let there be a line. Let this be the y is equal to mx plus c line. For every value of y, there exists exactly one x, or for every value of x, there exists only one value of y. So the moment x is known as say x2, we get y2 alone. We don't get y2 or y3 something else. We get only y2. For a given value of y1, we get only x1 as an answer. So this is what explicit representation of a curve is. Implicit non-parametric representation of curve. As the name suggests, implicit and explicit both will go as antonyms to each other. So when explicit is defining one-to-one mapping of points, implicit will take care of the multi-valued curves. For example, if we take the equation of a circle, x minus xc whole square plus y minus yc whole square is equal to r square. Let r be the radius of the circle. If xc and yc are the centers of circle, then the equation of circle is given by this. If I am assuming that the center xc yc is origin, this is the circle, and the equation of this circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square, provided the radius is r. Now in this particular case, when I have to pick one point here, for a given value of x, there are two values of y. If this is the point that is picked by me, let this be say x1. The x coordinate of this point is x1. Here also there is a point whose x coordinate is x1 only. But the y coordinate here is y1 and the y coordinate here is minus y1. So for the same point of x, we have different y. So when we say the point, the x coordinate of a point is x1, even then there is no clarity that the point is this or this, because two points are having the same x1 value. Even when we check from this equation, if I am to write it as x square plus y square is equal to r square, if I want to find x, this will become root over r square minus y square. This will be plus or minus. X square is equal to r square minus y square, and x will be equal to plus or minus r square root over r square minus y square. So x can be root over r square minus y square or minus root over r square minus y square. The same story holds good for y also. So even y can be written in the similar fashion. So there are two values of y for a given x, or there are two values of x plus or minus for a given value of y. So this is called the implicit representation, or otherwise when there is no one-to-one mapping between the dependent and independent variable, or in other words, when we do not know which variable is dependent and which variable is independent. In this previous case of explicit, we exactly know that given x, y is a function of x, so y is dependent on x, x is independent, y is dependent. For one value of x, that is exactly one value of y alone. But here x square plus y square is equal to r square. X can be written as a function of y can be written as a function of x. So there is no clarity in which variable is dependent and which one is independent. So these forms of curves, which are the circles or even conics or all multi-valued curves, even when we take an example of an ellipse, the same holds true. So for a given x, there are two y's. Here x is x1. So this will be y1, this will be minus y1. The same is true to a parabola also. Here, for a given x1, there is a y1 here and a minus y1 here. So these things, all these curves are represented in implicit form. So this is about the curve representation in non-parametric form. It might be explicit or implicit, that depends on the curve or line that we are considering.